So my smoothie is ready, but it looks... Okay, so today I'm actually getting ready to go out, and I'm going out with my friend. I don't personally have anything I'm going to do. I'm just gonna go out with her, and yesterday we were out together. Yeah, so today we are just gonna go and go out and finish the waka we started yesterday, basically. So that's just what we're doing today. I already said I'm on leave, and it's not like I'm idle, but I have time on my hands and I can go where I want to go, you know. I just have time to spare and vlog and all whatnot. So that's what I'm doing today. And yeah, see you guys after back home, or make 1 or 2 videos when we go out, depending on how much space I have, be able to film for you guys going out. And yeah, I have this scarf on just to lay this hair to make it flat. I flat ironed it, and yeah. Okay, so we're going to collect rice and money, Christmas gifts from the office where we work, yeah? So I should count the money. I should show you guys when I'm counting it. It's not a lot of money, or something. It's better than nothing, right? Everybody likes money, no matter how small. Yeah, nobody says no to money, right? So we're going to get average. If you guys want to see my ministry, what it looks like, maybe I'll show you. But it's not a nice place, actually. I don't want anyone judging me like, what in the world? So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Street of my city, quite comfortable. Hi guys. So today I'm going to the office yet again. They're giving us rice. So I'm in 2 ministries. I know you're not gonna get that. It's just stories. My boss is here. The other time was for the other ministry, and this time is for the actual main ministry where I actually work. Do some other things, sign in, filling out some forms. I'm actually on leave. I don't understand this, my kind of, you have to do what you have to do. So I'm actually heading, getting ready. So all right, I'll be seeing you guys. Okay, my cab is here. Bolt, actually, my Bolt is here. All right, see you guys. I was gonna show you my outfit real quick, but my Bolt is here, so I have to go now. See ya. Bye. So we stepped out quickly. So we ended up breakfast, I guess. The plate is full, so don't judge me because I eat. I never said I don't eat, okay? My mom has finished her food because she was hungry. I told you I like chicken republic. Their meals are well prepared. Yeah. Going home from here. Now I want to do my nails, change my nail color, polish, wash my hair. to head out to church. Church starts at 9 and I'm just leaving the house at 9. It's not getting my going to church. Just leave for church. And I didn't get to do my house because I'm late. I can't wait to do it. So yeah, so I'm seeing you guys. I'll come back, cook, eat, and then maybe step out, maybe not. I don't know. But I'm gonna see you guys next week. Enjoy your Christmas. See ya. Ciao. Just got back from church, but I need to go get some things quickly. I'm going to go to the market and then get to the mall, get some drinks, and yeah, that's how we're doing our Christmas. So I'm running back out now. I didn't make a video in church because church was really, so I couldn't make videos in church. So I'm leaving. My Bolt guy just got here, so I'm gonna go now. I'll see you guys in a second. Or do I take this with me to the mall? Okay, maybe I should. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Going to the movies. Cute. Okay, alright. I'm going to the movies, so I'll see you guys when I'm back. I wish I could take this with me, but it's just too much. We're carrying it around, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Yay. See ya. So today's an actual boring day for me because I'm going to be boring in some sense because I'm actually not going out today at all whatsoever. At the most I could just step out, get something from these kiosks. So yeah, today's just going to be that type of day. I put up the video without putting a thumbnail because I haven't actually edited the thumbnail, and I was behind time, so I just had to. My battery is low. I was behind time, so I just had to put that out. So I'm gonna do the thumbnail now and then start editing this part of the video for next week to put out anytime, any day next week, since luckily I'm actually home. I'll be able to do that. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. So tomorrow we have work stuff, like an end of the year get together. We're doing that tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I should be able to take you guys along for that one, take my tab along for that one to show you guys what that looks like. So I'll see you guys. So I'm just trying to buy time, just tidy up while, buying time to see if NEPA is going to give light. And welcome. So yesterday we had like this what is it called, like this end of year get together at work. I think I have very little clip because the thing about work and filming people at work is you're not sure what you are allowed to work to film or to put up, you know. So I think I have just very tiny. So yeah, so today I just had some market runs to do, and I'm home. I'm gonna make some smoothie for much later. I'm not having it now. I'm gonna cook, and yeah, that's it. What time is it? And I've been out already. That's the thing about me. If I'm gonna go out, especially if I have market runs, I like to do it early before the sun is out, because once the sun comes out, I'll end up not being able to go. I hate being out in the sun. So just gonna make some smoothie, and then I'll cook, and that's what I'll be doing today. And then I'll edit my videos to be able to put it out for you guys, and I hope you'll enjoy and like and share and subscribe. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And yeah, and I was told if you want to lose weight, if you're trying to lose weight, your best fruit to take is cucumber, because it helps, it cleans out the, you know, the bowels. So yeah, we'll do that. And I got some banana, so maybe I'll throw in one or two, maybe just one, because banana can be too sweet and then it makes the smoothie too thick. So just one banana, pineapple, and yeah, that's it. So let's just go on and do that already, and then I'll see you guys later. All right.